Oh, what now? What do you want with me? Come on, spit it out. You've been bothering me for the longest time. You obviously have something important to say to me. Say what you need to say. Pathetic. Come on now, don't waste my time. You don't want Mom to come and see us. Just say it already. What? How could you? Well, you know, you're not wrong. I guess you're right. You're pretty smart. I actually am working with Mom. Oh, come on, don't act like you didn't know the whole time. Yes, I was the one that was taking all the stuff. But you need to listen to me. Calm down. Stop. Just listen to me. I wasn't doing it for no reason, okay? I know it seemed like it, but I really wasn't. I was working with you guys the whole time, even though it didn't seem like it. And you know, to be honest, I expected Norman to know before you did. But I guess you just noticed it. Who cares? What are you gonna do now? Tell Mom? She already knows about the plan. I was joking. I was actually trying to distract Mom. I know. I seem like the villain, but at the end, it's gonna be worth it. Plus, you're not even on my side anyways. So, it doesn't matter. Whatever I say to you, you probably take it the wrong way, no matter what. This is such a waste of time. You already knew it from the start, did you? I don't know why you're trying to act all innocent, but it needs to stop. Seriously though, it's annoying. I'm only trying to do this to help Emma. That's what Norman wants. I want everybody to be happy, but I don't want the plan to fail. You don't know what Mom is capable of. And neither does Norman. It's nerve-wracking. So I had to step in and try to back off Mom. Even if it doesn't seem like it, it's our only hope for the plan to succeed. If you didn't have me, you'll be nowhere right now. Believe it or not. But on the other hand, I gotta say that we do make a pretty good team. I'm sorry for being a jerk. And I just wanted to apologize. You're really smart. And I want you to get out of here too, okay? Just know I'm not the bad guy.